Hello friends, my name is Nimish Chandra, and in this video I'll show you how to install Active Directory domain services in Server 2012 R2, or you can say how to create domain controller in Server 2012 R2. But before we start this installation, Active Directory installation, we need to fulfill few requirements. Like first requirement is your LAN card should be active. Second is static IP must be configured on your LAN card, and we need a NTFS format partition with the 256 MB of free space. And after fulfill these requirements, we can go ahead for the installation process. So let's start. So for this, we need to add role. We need to add Active Directory domain services role in Server 2012, and as I say, we need to configure static IP on your LAN card. I have already configured. So without wasting your time, we should open Server Manager and then click on Add Rules. Then simply next, and select Active Directory domain services, and then next, again simply next, and just click on. Server will restart automatically after done the installation process. So just simply start, and I'm going to pause this video and I'll be back after complete installation process. So friends, installation has been done complete. So I just simply close the pop-up and just click on the flag. There is a yellow notification sign, and here is the option promote this server to a domain controller. So we need to click, we need to promote, this is our second server, second step. We need to promote this server as a domain controller. In guys, one more thing I want to tell you. In server 2012, server 2008, we were used DC promo command to promote our server, but in server 2012, DC promo command has been retired. Okay, so don't confuse about it. So when I was click on the promote option, I got this dialog box, and there is an option add a domain controller to an existing domain, add a new domain to an existing forest. So guys, if you want to create ADC, or if you want to create CDC, child domain controller, or additional domain controller. So if I want to create ADC, so I'll select one. If I want to create CDC, then I'll choose second option. But this is my new server, so I'll select third option, add a new forest, and then give the root domain name. So my root domain name is n.com. This next. Friends, there is two options, forest function label and domain function label. So what is this forest function label and domain function label? So guys, this is used to define the function label of your domain and your forest environment. Okay, so for example, if you were using Windows Server 2008 as a domain controller in your forest, or now you are planning to create another domain controller on Server 2002, Server 2012 R2. So guys, you have to select domain or forest function label 2008. Then you can work with your 2008 DC or 2012 domain controller. So guys, this is my first DC. So I'll select 2012 R2, because in my next video I'll create a ADC on Server 2016. Okay, so and you know that DNS server will be installed automatically with the domain with the uh, Active Directory, and there is a restore mode password. If anything happened with your server or your server got down or crashed, so and you want to recover your Active Directory objects, so that time this password will be used. So this is important, so remember that. I'll show you how to recover the Active Directory objects in my next video. Next, and there should be my NetBIOS name, and then next, and guys, there is some important information. Your database folder is C Windows NTDS, log files C Windows NTDS, sysvol folder C Windows sysvol, and this is all AD database. If you have these folders, you can recover your AD. And there is a script, so you can check all the information, my domain name, forest mode, okay, installation to everything, log path, this is ADDS deployment, install ADDS forest, and show you how to install Active Directory in unattended mode on server core. So wait for my third video, I'll show you. And then next, and it will check the prerequisition, so all done, and then install. So guys, I'm going to pause this video. I'll back after complete the installation. So friends, now my server has been restarted, or yeah, so now we need to check it is done or not, it is promoted as a domain controller or not. So for that, we just simply go to my computer properties and check, yeah, domain, my system is in domain and .com, okay, and or you can run dsa.msc or C command to check your, okay. So now my my domain controller has been created, so I can create one user, image, and then finish. So thanks for watching my video, guys, and if you like this video, so please subscribe, like, and comment on my video, and subscribe my channel. And in my next video, I'll show you how to create CDC, child domain controller, and ADC, additional domain controller. And